Alright, we're back. See if we can put this together for real this time. Man, over here it belongs. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Which one is the best one? This one here, I think, is the good one. Yep, it works. Okay, so spacer goes in. Bolt goes in. Other bolt goes in. There it is. This. That one goes all the way in now without binding like they didn't do before. This one's binding slightly. This alignment of the bracket. That's why you get all the bolts in tight, all the way in before you tighten them. Okay. So after all that, we're hitting now again. No, it's not. That's how close it is. Oh, there's that broken tank, or one of them. I think that was the first one I broke off. Okay, so that is now there. Oh, we had this stupid kickstand over here. I forgot about this. This is supposed to go where those two bolts is. Forgot about that. I forgot about that on purpose. That's not the one, is it? Yep, that is the one. These bolts are way long now. See if they go in all the way. So I have to jack hits down here with my ratchet. Like this. That's why they make longer extensions. Now I don't have to worry about it, it's gotta go fast. Like this now, see? I hit myself. Probably should put some oil on these. Yep. Okay, this one bottomed out. Dimensions are slightly different. Smell the Loctite. So this one needs to be shortened up a little bit. You see I was already cut before. Needs to be cut again. The bottom one, I don't think it's going to be a problem. It goes all the way in. So I'm not sure how much too much this one is. It doesn't look like it should be a problem. So I'm just going to grind it. I'm not going to shorten it. It might just be the Loctite is being a problem. That does happen too. So we're just going to come over here and make a little sparks over here and shorten this bolt up a little bit. Okay, straight edge there, put a nice chamfer on it, see if that does the trick. I'm going to put a little dab of oil on it when I put it in also. A little CRC or something on the thread. Just do the CRC deal like that. A little lubricant. Doesn't fight so much. This time it goes all the way in. It's tight in the same spot. So what happened here is it's bottoming out back in here. So this is welded right to a solid piece of metal, so when the bolt hits that, it's done. So right now it's going in so far, it's bottoming out against that. Now I'm not going to shorten it all the way right now, because if she doesn't want to use his controls, I have to kick the bolt long enough I can put those back in. Because those are thicker over there. Those are 5/8 plate and these are 3/8 plate. So that extra 1/4 inch is causing the problem. This is about 150 thou too short, or too long. So for now I'm just going to tighten up like that. So we know what this kickstand is like. You can see how it looks when it goes up here. I can also put washers under here and that would take up the slack too, but I don't like doing that kind of stuff. So we'll leave it at that for now. Okay, so our shifter's right up here. This looks like a little short. So where's the rod they gave me? So here's the rod they gave me. It's definitely a little bit on the longer side. This is made for a 4-speed bike though, not a 5-speed. So that put me about right here for the length. It's a little bit too far forward. Probably reuse that one. I'm seeing some Heim joints in the package here, so these are male Heim joints. These are female. Female means they go over the rod. These means they go inside the rod. So these you can screw in all the way deeper. The length we wind up with. So I can come up with the length I need with this. If they're screwed all the way in, it'll probably work. These go all the way in like this. Need a jam nut on here. Probably those crappy ass thin jam nuts are all about. I don't like those though. I like just nice American hardware that actually works like American. I prefer male Heims over females myself, because a tubing is a lot stronger than a rod. Okay, that bottoms out right there. So that's as short as you can make it. Now these are all right-handed threads, so that means they're normal, so you have to take one off to make it change the length of this. Okay, that is our minimum dimension we can have, is right here. So now we just look up over here and we'll see what that looks like on the bike. And that looks like it'll work just fine. I'm good with that. So I think that'll work just fine. Alright, so what do they got over here? It's kind of a big ass join in here. So they got a big long Allen all the way through and ended. So maybe we're going to try to unscrew that. For luck, it'll come out. And here comes the new owner.
Hello there.
All right.
You done my bike.
Wow.
This is metric crap.
Nice.
You put metric Allens on your bike. Slam it. Slam it.
Oh, I got
There you go. Slam it, opens up again. Alright, for some reason you got weird parts on your bike.
For some reason, huh?
Yeah.
Because it's a chopper.
There we go. It's metric. What do you got a metric bolt on your bike? Is this a Honda? Looks like a Honda. This is probably one of those American metric bolts. Metric thread on that side, and American on the thread, and metric on everything else. We're going to keep that over there. What thread is that supposed to be in there? Looks like a metric bolt all the way. I'm guessing that's fine thread now. That thread is. I don't think that's the original thread in there anymore. You don't mind custom bolts in your bike, do you?
No.
Good.
They have to come from you.
I didn't make that piece of crap. Someone doesn't know the difference between American and metric. Where'd that Allen bolt have? I just had it out. I lost it. Oh, where'd it go? See a black bolt anywhere?
Looking.
Shoot right in front of me. Right in front of me, but hidden.
There it is. Oh.
No, it isn't. Should be right here in front of me. It'll be a view. Move to the left. Move to the left. They do that.
It's
in the
black?
They do that in the video. Yeah, it's a black bolt.
This one, no. This one was right in front of me.
No, it's not. It's in front of me, not you. Shouldn't be behind me. It should be sitting right here. I just took it out. There it is. Hidden underneath the forward control.
The whole thing?
Good. It kind of fits in there. Barely. So we might have to use that same bolt again. Because it's butchered already. Somebody butchered it. It's a butchered bike. Change the shifter there. So you get new ugly controls.
They look more like secure, I guess.
Secure. Oh, is that what you call
safe,
it?
I guess. No.
Safe. Safe and secure. Jeez, all of that in one
That's a
word.
good combination.
This is not working correctly here. So they got pinch screws in here. They're making these parts difficult to unscrew. Safety devices. Fancy.
Ooh. Fancy, huh?
Fancy, fancy, fancy. What did I do? I grabbed the wrong nut. What did you grabbed the wrong nut.
The other ones were like here.
Somebody mixed
all
up my
here
nuts.
now, and it's not good. And it bends. They didn't have a joint to bend like the ones. So probably I would took a turn too hard and it hit the ground. When it bends, so it
What do you got?
was
I got the wrong nut. I got the right nut. Finally. So you have to figure out where your foot's going to be to make this shift.
Okay. Put the trucks on. Well, this stuff that he has to move on is heavy.
I'm going to do the same washer trick on this here as I did before. To make this peg stick out further, we're going to cheat. Put 2 washers on that thing. You don't mind if I cheat on your bike, do I?
Nope.
Good. We're going to do it anyway.
Do it, Tatro's way.
Do whatever it takes.
Yeah.
So I'll caught up to get on the videos.
Yeah, caught up to the front, just that, I just did the tire.
Tire,
Mm-hmm.
the truing and all that.
Only got to where, yeah, true.
Good. You sold the fun then.
They're shorter. They're much shorter, your videos.
I'm shorter?
No, the video.
What's shorter?
The videos are shorter than these, Stevie.
The videos are shorter. Oh, okay.
It's fancy.
We can get rid of ugly chrome if you want.
You know I want. I like it shiny.
Okay, well 2 washers maximum I can go because I'm running out of nut space.
That's good.
Nut space is shorter. One more position down. That might be close. We'll have to adjust that for the foot location. Alright, there you go.
Whoop,
Put that up a little bit. Where's the other one at? Got that angle there, I think. So you adjust the stirrups over here, see? Foot peg out of the way. This is the pinch nut here, this little thin one. You put the heel in about the same spot as that side over there, which I think is pretty close to this. Then you put your peg back on with a provided chrome Allen bolt. Allen wrench, not bolt, wrench. Very important that you not use a black wrench, you use a chrome wrench.
Really?
Yeah,
Because it was.
because that's when it comes with it.
Okay.
Got to have chrome tools to go your chrome parts. Alright, so there you go. That's how we put a shifter mechanism on a Harley. Smile, you're on camera. Alright, that's it for there.